See that guy over there? Yeah, he's kind of staring at the girls who are wearing a onesie everywhere. Legit. They're walking into the shops. Okay. Maddie and Cassie are gonna walk into the shops with onesies on.
Oh.
You get scared over lots of things.
I love that. I heard a noise. She came around the corner. I walked out of nowhere, and she's just like, oh, and drops it down. Like, yeah.
Yeah, like last night.
In my fucking hallway. The other one would come out with
This is okay. They're gonna walk into the shops with onesies on, guys. It's gonna be so embarrassing. I don't know them.
Neither do I. Can I go home? Oh my gosh, I really. Oh yeah. Yeah. Pixie. I have to get a Pixie name.
There you are. Wait, no, it's not.
Go in there.
These guys are embarrassing. Did you buy us a drink? Oh.
What about me? Can I make it to
Yeah. Embarrassing people. And that's Cassie and Maddie in onesies in a shop. Embarrassing, right, guys?